It's a question of NCERT in text question number 2.6 based on Henry's law. The question is hydrogen sulfide, a toxic gas. We all know it's a toxic gas with rotten egg-like smell, is used for qualitative analysis. It means that hydrogen gas is a toxic gas and it is used in salt analysis for determination of basic radicals. So if the solubility of hydrogen sulfide in water at STP is 0.195 m small m molality. So molality of this solution of what? Solution of hydrogen sulfide gas in water. So the solution is of hydrogen sulfide gas in water. So molality of this solution is given as 0.195 m. Condition is STP condition. So what we have to calculate here, question is calculate Henry's law constant. Means we have to calculate KH value of hydrogen sulfide. So according to Henry's law, the pressure of hydrogen sulfide is equal to its KH, means Henry's constant, or we even call it as Henry's law constant of hydrogen sulfide gas times mole fraction of hydrogen sulfide gas. So this is the working formula, and this formula is from Henry's equation. This is the working formula. So KH, we have to calculate this KH. KH means we have to calculate Henry's law constant of hydrogen sulfide gas. This is equal to pressure of hydrogen sulfide gas divided by mole fraction of hydrogen sulfide gas. Now pressure here is not given, but condition STP is given. So at STP, what we know, that pressure is equal to 1 atmosphere. So 1 atmosphere is equal to 1.013 bar. So we have taken here it as 1.013 bar. So we are getting the answer in terms of bar. We can even work on atmosphere also, no problem. Now the main target for us is to calculate this mole fraction of hydrogen sulfide gas. Pressure is known to us. Now we have to calculate the mole fraction of hydrogen sulfide gas. So 0.195 molar solution means that 0.195 moles of solute hydrogen sulfide is present in 1 kilogram of water. So the moles of hydrogen sulfide, that is moles of solute, is 0.195 moles of water. Mass of water, just check this out, this is 1 kilogram. So 1000 gram divided by molar mass 18. So this comes out to be 55.5. So the mole fraction of hydrogen sulfide is number of moles of hydrogen sulfide divided by number of moles of hydrogen sulfide plus number of moles of water. And on solving this, we are getting the mole fraction of hydrogen sulfide to be equal to 0.0035. So let us substitute this value here, because we have to calculate KH, and on solving this form, we are getting the KH value of hydrogen sulfide to be equal to 289.42 bar. This is the answer. Now let us work on next question. This question says that Henry's law constant for solubility of nitrogen gas in water at 298 Kelvin is this much atmosphere. So given KH for nitrogen is given to us 10 to the power 5 atmosphere. Now the mole fraction of nitrogen in air, not in water, mole fraction of nitrogen in air. So mole fraction in air, we are going to represent it by alphabet Y, not by X. X means in solution, and if we are talking about air, we will represent it by Y. So mole fraction of nitrogen in air is 0.6, its value is given. We have to calculate number of moles of nitrogen in air, this is our target. Number of moles of water is given as 10 now, and its total pressure is given as 5 atmosphere. Total pressure is 5 atmosphere. Our target is to calculate number of moles of nitrogen in air. So let us first use Dalton's law. So according to Dalton's law, we have read in class 11th in states of matter that partial pressure of nitrogen in air is equal to its mole fraction multiplied by total pressure, and in its mole fraction in air is given as 0.6, total pressure is 5, so this comes out to be equal to 3. This is pressure of nitrogen in air is equal to 3. Now let us use Henry's law. According to Henry's law, pressure of nitrogen gas which is present in air, this is equal to its Henry's law constant of nitrogen gas multiplied by mole fraction of nitrogen gas. So this pressure we have calculated already here, 3. So 3 is equal to the value of KH is given as 10 to the power 5 and mole fraction of nitrogen gas is number of moles of nitrogen gas by number of moles of nitrogen plus number of moles of water. Number of moles of water is given as 10. Now when we cross multiply it, we are getting this form. So 1 minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 5 can be taken as 1. So number of moles of nitrogen is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 4. So option number A is correct here. Okay.